G'day guys, Matt here, Auto One Browns Planes. Today I'm going to talk to you about dash camera installation. We offer dash camera installation as a service, but it is something that you can DIY as well, and I'm just going to go through and give you the quick and easy of how to install a dash camera. So, step one, you want to choose your mounting location. You want to look at the car and look at where you might be able to mount it. So in this case, I've got a Blackview single channel camera, and we can see here that it's got the little canister there, and we line it up with that, and that'll give us a bit of an idea of where we want to, there we go, how we want to mount that. So on a windshield, like so, it's going to be about there, so we know that when we're putting it in there, the lock button is going to be facing towards me, or you can go the other way. So just work out what you want to do. You can see here that it's got some indicators on there as well, and then once you've worked out the location, you want to clean it with like maybe an alcohol wipe or a really good quality window cleaner, and give it a really good clean. Once you've done that, and the cleaner's flashed off and is dry again, you can then mount the mounting bracket. Put the mounting bracket in place, make sure it attaches nicely and has a good hold, and then you can mount the camera. So before I mount the camera, I might just talk about this particular unit where you've got the SD card there. So you want to pop the SD card in there. I'll skip that step. I'm just going to go straight ahead and put the camera there. And then you've got the unit there, or there, however you like, and you can then from there start thinking about running the cable. So from there you've got the cable. So some units, they'll come with two different cables. They'll come with like a hard wiring kit, and then they'll also come with a normal accessory plug. Regardless, you just plug it in and then find out where you're going to run. Usually you'd run up under the headliner, down the A-pillar, and then behind the dash or the glove box around that area. Some cars you'll have an accessory plug hidden away, and you can utilize that and make it look neat, or you can just plug it in the normal accessory plug locations, or if you want to run it neat, you can run like a hard wiring kit and then hide it away so that no wires are seen. From there, connect the power. So in this case, it would be like connecting to your cigarette plug or your accessory socket. But if you're doing a hard wire setup, you might consider doing like an outer fuse and then connecting to that. That way you've got it hidden out of the way, and all the wiring is out of sight and neat. From there, power on the unit, connect your phone to it, test it, and make sure that all the settings are okay. You want to make sure that it's facing the right way, and then you can change things like the brightness, sensitivity, and things like that, and take it out for a test. Go for a test drive. Guys, that's the quick and easy. There are other things to consider, so you might want to consider a 2-channel setup, so a second camera. You might want to consider another battery to run it and keep it powered while when you turn the car off. And then there's more detail you can go into how you terminate the power connections and things like that, which we might do in another video. Alright guys, thank you.